Hi everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a review on Beehiiv newsletter. In this video, we're going to dive deeper into the platform's features, pros, cons, and pricing structure to help you determine if it's the right choice for your email marketing needs. By the end of this video, you will not only have a clear understanding of what Beehiiv offers, but you will also be equipped with all the information needed to decide if it's the perfect email newsletter solution for your own goals and audience. And before we begin, I want to mention that if you're interested in trying out Beehiiv, then you can use our own affiliate link below this video. This link will help support our channel at no additional cost to you, allowing us to continue producing high quality content like this one. Now let's go ahead and dive right into our review. So Beehiiv is a relatively new platform in the email marketing and newsletter space. It's designed to cater to both individual creators and businesses, and since its launch, it has gained significant traction, with notable success stories like the Milk Road, which sold for millions after just 12 months of growth on the platform. Moving on, let's go ahead and talk about the key features of this platform. At first, we have an intuitive drag and drop editor, as Beehiiv offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to create visually appealing newsletters, even if you have absolutely no coding knowledge. Additionally, there's the comprehensive analytics, as the platform provides detailed insights into email performance, including the open rates, click-through rates, and the subscriber behavior. Next up is the automation tools, as Beehiiv includes powerful automation capabilities for email sequences. There's also the welcome series and triggered emails based on subscriber actions. Another pro of using Beehiiv that is not talked about enough is the scalability. Beehiiv can accommodate both small creators and larger businesses with features that grow with your needs. Additionally, there are built-in monetization options, so the platform's support for paid newsletters makes it easy to start earning from your content, and even early on. You will also notice that this platform gives you a lot of features to help you grow your subscriber base, including things like the referral programs and easy to embed sign-up forms. However, some potential cons might include limited template options. As compared to some competitors, I would say Beehiiv's selection of pre-designed templates may be a little bit more limited. This next con varies from one user to another, but I would say there is a learning curve for advanced features. While the basic functions are easy to use for most people, mastering all of Beehiiv's features may actually take some time. We're going to expand on this next con further, but for now, I would say that the pricing structure can be a con on the platform, because as your subscriber count grows, the cost can increase significantly, which might be a concern for rapidly growing newsletters. And finally, the last con, even though it's not a big one, it's still worth mentioning that this platform is actually a newer platform. So being a relatively new service, Beehiiv may not have an extensive track record as some more established competitors. But I'm sure the way they have been going, this con is not actually a big deal, and their track record is progressing smoothly given how successful the platform is. And now let's talk about another crucial aspect, which is the pricing structure. Beehiiv offers a tiered pricing model to accommodate different needs and budgets. The first plan is the launch plan at $0, no commitment, and up to 2,500 subscribers. This plan is great for those just starting out, and you may have limited features, but it still allows you to get a feel for the platform. You will not be completely left in the dark. You still have a custom website, the newsletter, campaign analytics, up to 3 publications, and of course the unlimited email sends. However, as your newsletter grows, you might need even more features, or maybe you get even more than 2,500 subscribers. In that case, you will have to get the scale plan that is about $47.20 per month, and that is billed monthly for up to 2,500 subscribers. Now once again, you can use the link below this video and get 20% off your first 3 months after the 30-day free trial. It's a great way to test the platform and the plans out, see which one actually benefits your business the most, and then after that, you even get a nice offer to top things off. So in going with the scale plan, you will get everything on the original launch plan, plus the ad network, boost network, new website templates, and so many different things, but you still keep only 3 publications. So in case you needed more publications, that's when you opt in for the max plan at $103.20. And the most notable thing about this plan is that you can remove Beehiiv branding completely, get access to the newsletter XP course, and of course up to 10 publications. This plan is ideal for established creators and larger businesses. Of course, it includes all the features and the higher limits that this platform has to offer. And finally, there's the enterprise plan at custom pricing. It's tailored for large-scale operations with very specific needs. It definitely gives you access to custom features and dedicated support for your own newsletter. Again, it's important to note that these prices will increase as your subscriber count grows, so factor this into your long-term planning from now. And finally, after exploring the different features this platform has to offer, from pricing, pros, cons, etc., I want to end this review by mentioning who is Beehiiv best suited for. In that case, I would say that Beehiiv is particularly well suited for content creators looking to monetize their audience through newsletters. Obviously, it's ideal for small to medium-sized businesses wanting to engage customers via email, and even writers and journalists seeking a straightforward platform for publishing and distribution. So Beehiiv offers a compelling package for those looking to start or grow an email newsletter. With a combination of user-friendliness, powerful features, and built-in monetization options, this makes it a strong contender in the email marketing space. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely let us know whether you have any other questions, and if you found today's video to be helpful, informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make on this matter.